Welcome to Technical Drawing. Today we are going to draw TSS of this. Now, in the last class we did front view, top view and side view. Now see, in this what I'm doing, I'm drawing a cutting plane line. This cutting plane line I have to draw horizontal. See, I will take this distance from here to here and I will cut on the cutting plane. This is PU dash PV dash. This is PC dash PG dash. Then I will take this distance, that is from PU dash PV dash to PD dash PF dash. So basically you have to take all the distance and you have to cut on this line. Then from here to PE dash. Then one by one you have to project all these points down. See, you extend from PU dash PV dash, and this is what PU, and PV you extend from here. Same way you project from PC dash and PG dash, and you extend from PG and PC. Then you extend from PD dash PF dash, so you'll get 2 points. Then PE dash, and from here you extend the line. So this way you'll get all these points. You can name all these points and you join this with a free hand. See, this will be straight and all these points will be free hand. So you'll get TSS. Then you can hatch this. So I hope you people have understood this sum. Thank you.